Hey y'all, me and the girls took a last minute trip to Marshall's, and while they were shopping, I decided to sneak off by myself and look at what I want to look at. I saw these pots that caught my eye. The color was so pretty, but I was a little worried about the wooden handle. But they were so pretty. They looked like more of decorative pots to me. Then I saw these little black pots over here. They weren't bad, but I never heard of the brand, so I don't know. I wasn't too sure about them. The price was very reasonable also. They had the pots and pans over here were a reasonable price, but I had never heard of the brand. That's what made me feel kind of iffy. Now, I went to what I know, but I like pots and skillets with a lid. So, All Clad is a classic brand. It's been around for years. They have a reputation for making great cookware, and that is a very reasonable small saute pan. This one wasn't bad. Y'all, I'm all on these folks' flow, trying to look for some more with some tops, some more all clad with tops. They didn't have it. This is not a bad price either. But this was the one I was most interested in. But I couldn't find a top to that as well. But this is the one I was most interested in. It was only $39. And it was all clad. I don't know. I guess I was really interested in the shape. But I think it's a 13-inch. So that's a pretty nice size. But I really wanted a lid to go with it. So then I went to my next favorite thing, the candles. Y'all, this candle right here. Ooh, 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 ooh. When I tell you nice smelling candle, this candle smells so nice. It smells like a big old strong, fine gentleman in a tuxedo. That's what it smelled like. Now, I work a lot at home and I sit up in the bed, so I have one of these and I really like it, and I wanted to get me another one. The only thing about this one I didn't like was the zipper at the bottom is too small to take the pillow out and wash it. And they had it in this camel color, which I thought was kind of cute too. I was considering for my son. But they're so soft. I love them. Yeah, this is the one. This was so cute. The color was so cute, and they had it in blue, and then they had it in a green color, but they didn't have it in my bed size. I didn't care for the blue. I thought the pink was pretty, and then I thought this green one was pretty, and I love the bag it came in. I don't know. I think that added to it for me too. I went to look at this trunk to sit at the foot of my bed because I like storage that really doesn't look like storage, and it was long enough to stretch across the bottom of my bed. Not completely, but it was long enough to stretch across the bottom of my bed. But it was very shallow, and I didn't like that. So I didn't have any success at Marshall's today, but I did have a good time out with my girls. Talk to y'all later.